Are you looking to improve your bathroom with a sleek and modern showering space? The Nuie Rene brushed brass Quadrant Enclosure 800 by 800 millimeters is the perfect piece for any stylish bathroom, combining fashionable design with practical functionality. Featuring double sliding doors, this quadrant shower enclosure is ideal for bathrooms or ensuites where space is limited. Its clevver shape allows it to fit neatly into a corner, while the smooth sliding doors provide easy access without swinging outwards into the room, preserving your floor space. Whether your room is large or small, the compact footprint of this enclosure is a clever space-saving solution. The brushed brass profiles beautifully frame the enclosure, adding a warm golden hue to your space without overpowering it. The clear, toughened glass allows light to flow throughout, creating a light, bright, and airy showering experience. Upgrade your bathroom today with the Nuie Rene brushed brass Quadrant Enclosure 800 by 800 millimeters, where clean lines, clever design, and everyday comfort come together in one stunning package. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.